Welcome to my channel, The Journey Within. If you like my videos, please do subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon. Before going ahead with pranayama practice, I would first like to talk about mudras. There are different kinds of mudras actually. One which involves the head, some involves the whole body movement, some involves the bandh or the lock, some involves the hand. So today we are going to talk about the hasta mudras or the hand gestures, which we also called it seals. The mudras are not only used in pranayama and yoga practices, we also used in Indian classical dance as well. Mudras are actually yoga for hands, which involves movements of joints, tendons, cartilage, ligaments, and it involves curling of fingers, stretching of fingers, bending of fingers. So it is complete yoga for hands actually. We can say it is a side effect free healthcare. There are many acupressure points in our hands which are connected to mind and certain body parts and organs, we can say. But here I am talking about subtle body. If we come to physical body, there are many nerve endings in our hands which are connected to organs and different body parts. We can compare it with electric wires running all over the body. When mudra is applied, the current starts flowing, or we can say prana starts flowing, and it stimulates the organs or the part associated with it. Our universe, as we all know, is made up of mainly 5 elements. Our body is also a mini universe. It is also made up of 5 elements, and they are: thumb represents fire, index finger represents air, middle finger represents space, ring finger represents earth, and the little finger represents water. Easiest way to remember these elements are F, A, S, E, and the remaining one is W. I know F, A, S, E, phase is not an English word, but still for the beginners and to remember it, this is the best way. Fire, it represents thirst, hunger, sleep, vision and complexion. Air, air is responsible for all the movements and circulation. Movements means movements of hands, body, blinking of eyes and circulation of blood. Space, there is lots of free space in our body which is responsible for the movement of nutrition and excretion of waste products. If the space is not there, there will be no movement anywhere. For example, the esophagus. Take the example of esophagus. If there is no space in esophagus, food pipe, food won't be able to travel to the stomach. Next is the earth. Earth not only stands for soil, but it stands for actually all the solid structures in nature like rock, trees. Similarly, it represents all the solid organs, structures in our body like organs, tissues, bones, teeth, hair. The last one is water, which represents all the fluid things in our body like blood, sweat, urine, saliva. You must be wondering why I am talking about all these elements, right? I am talking because you need to know the elements to apply the mudra accordingly. For example, I'll give you an example. For example, if there is it is a hot sunny day, that means sun is bright outside. The sun inside you is also bright, which represents heat or fire is on, that means. How will you cool it down? By applying mudra. You know this little finger represents water, right? And this represents fire. If we touch the tip of both the fingers, it will improve the water or increase the water level in your body. It will not only cool it down or hydrate you, it will also make your skin glow actually, and this is a very good news for ladies. So it is very essential for us to maintain the balance of all the elements in our body. By applying this mudra, we also balance actually the level of water in our body. So it is true for all the other elements as well, or all the fingers as well. Clapping is actually equally important. Why? Because this also stimulates all the pressure points simultaneously. We usually clap when we are happy or to applaud someone. But keep clapping whenever you are free or whenever you get time. How will you clap? Like this, stretch your fingers, spread your fingers like this and this. What will happen? It will stimulate your pressure points. Along with that, it will generate feel-good hormones, that is endorphins in you. If you are happy, everybody around you is happy. So simple to make others happy, right? This is the reason health is in our hands. So let us take charge of our health. See you soon. Until then, keep smiling, stay healthy, stay fit. Namaskar.